Well, it has been a long 2 years of COVID updates. Well, this afternoon, Michigan's numbers are still at some of their lower levels in several months. The state health department recorded another 1,500 new cases in the past 2 days. It's a daily average of about 770, which is right in between the numbers we reported last Friday and Monday. 7-day positivity rate has dropped just a bit. It's below 3.5%, and that is the lowest level since July of 2021, going in the right direction. Also seen an additional 124 virus-related deaths. Okay, so now we check on some medical heroes you probably never see when you go to Henry Ford Hospital, but their work certainly changed the course of the COVID pandemic. Take a look. This is the actual lab where workers validated the first positive PCR test for COVID-19 2 years ago today. Well, the workers in this lab are rarely seen or heard from, but our Paula Tutman has their important story of survival.
In the early days of the pandemic, we saw sheer heroism of first responders, doctors, nurses, grocery store workers, delivery people. Those on the front lines doing everything they could for all of us to survive the pandemic when we weren't even sure what we were dealing with. But there are unseen heroes who in those early days were in front of the frontline workers. We couldn't see them, but their work saved countless lives. Today is the second anniversary of the first positive PCR test at the microbiology lab of Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit. And remembering those early days is difficult.
It was tough.
The first hospital lab in Michigan to develop the testing protocols that would be repeatable and reliable for a brand new virus. It meant lab technicians worked around the clock, racing the clock, looking for answers.
We had a lot of specimens coming into the lab, and it was difficult to prioritize testing.
We can only do about 30 tests at the time, and this takes about 6 hours to get these results.
Marouge Altawil, a medical technologist, explains how in those early days, members of the entire lab team were exhausted, frightened, concerned.
Doing so many of these tests, I stopped looking at the numbers.
And then it happened. Early in the testing protocols, a slate of tests that came back positive. The results Marouge was inspecting were the members of her entire family.
I was the only one who did that. And I think the main reason was me being in the hospital all the time. That's why I was not exposed.
They were the first to see the hell that was coming. They persevered. And today, on this second anniversary, they have caught their breath. They say they are ready for whatever comes next, and they're not even asking for a thank you, because they never do.
We were always the invisible part. And I think when we get into this field, we have this idea. We're not going to be the people who the patient will see. And I think majority of us are good with that.
Yeah, they are good with that. They're not asking for thank yous, but I think we all owe them such a debt of thanks. The work by that Detroit lab team is now radiating all the way up to, say, Henry Ford Macomb Health Center in northern Macomb and all points in between. Their work, Karen, their work 2 years ago is still saving lives today. Back to you.
Making such a difference. We appreciate the story and the spotlight on the unsung heroes, even though they don't want the spotlight. It's always good to be reminded of how hard they work.
Shine it on them.
Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah,
Paula.
absolutely.
We appreciate it. That sun looked good behind Paula.